Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is that show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something. It's made in Japan. It came from the folks at Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com, check out one of their subscription boxes. Use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for 15% off your order. Hey. This is Menraku restaurant-style ramen seafood tonkotsu taste. And you can make it as scamming. But I'm not doing that today. I just don't feel like it. So, you get 2 servings. It's made in Japan. That is U.S. packaging if I've ever seen it. So, is this the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. What's the deal with this one, isn't it? 3 minutes? 3 minutes, 480 mils of water. Straight noodle. I usually take them and I kind of stir them in. That gets them manageable quickly. So yeah, I basically stir the boiling water with the noodles, and they slide in there nice and heavy. 3 minutes. So, and then there's 2 sachets, 1 for each serving. But, again today, friends, I ask if you have the time and the vibe. You could send some good energy towards my mom. She's not doing well, so I'm hoping that get a bunch of good vibes going her way, and she'll be doing better. But not in the best way currently. But I hope it will go well. That's all I'm gonna say. And it's 1:07 p.m. on a Tuesday, June 16th, 2020. What is going on today? Some executive order about police stuff. Saw some ridiculous videos on Facebook. All these things, like these conservative groups using interviews with like Morgan Freeman and this rapper, I can't remember what his name is, but using these interviews to go, see, the left wing won't tell you about this, blah 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 blah. It's ridiculous. It's like, oh, shut up. You know, it's like when it's helpful for them, and I know Democrats are the same way. When it's helpful for their cause and what they're saying, they're all behind actors and rappers and stuff saying things. But when it's not, it's like they should just go back to acting, you know? Just goes to show a lot of people in power want to use people that aren't, or people that are influential. Use. So, yeah. Seafood tonkatsu, though. I had their bowl version, I believe, of this, and it was hella good. But I think this is going to be really, really good because it's got straight noodles. Pardon me. I woke up at like 2:30 this morning. I woke up like an hour early, and I got most of the review stuff for these done as far as the posts, which was a good thing. It's nice to get stuff in hand before the day starts. And then I went walking for a couple hours. Then got home, finished up the review stuff. Yeah. Talked to my brother, filled him in on the updates with my madre. Yeah. And now I'm stirring the pot. Yeah, let's get a nice shot of this. This is noodle music. There you go. So this looks good. You know what I wish I had was some pepper rings. The little slices of red chilies that you sometimes see and stuff. Cheers. That's a pretty thick, rich-looking broth. It's good, but there's a lot of clam in that. Wow. That's what I'm getting. I feel like I'm getting like a really salty ultra clam kind of hit. But it says there's a lot of fish in the ingredients, so that could be it too. And I'm definitely getting the vibe or the flavor of fish. But I feel like I'm getting a lot of shellfish. I'm not trying to be shellfish. Yeah. But they say you are what you eat, so if I'm eating shellfish, then I'm being shellfish. So we got the noodle. We got noodles. We got organic. Mung bean sprouts. spring onion. Yes, I am putting an egg in. Made these this morning. Hope it's a happy egg. Should be happy. It's going in a bowl of ramen. There's that. Now, after this, we're going to go for the seafood aspect because it's seafood tonkotsu. And it went pretty well. Pretty well. Oh, get back there. You jerk. You egg jerk. Get right there. There's the egg. Now we got the seafood to hit up. I'm gonna be in a pain in the butt. Pain in the butt, Naruto baggie. I figured since I don't reuse these, I might as well just slice them open. There's a piece of Naruto. We have to go to Costco because that's where I get my shrimp. Because it's pretty cheap and you get a ton of it. It's like the last one out of the bag. There's some shrimp. The thing with this squid, you want to put it kind of right where the broth is at, because then you push down on it a little bit and you get that little defining color action. I've got some fish balls, but I think 3 is maybe overkill. I think 3 pieces of squid is overkill too. Fishball doesn't really want to take on this color so much. There we go. Okay. Now I'm a big fan of the spicy tonkotsu, so that's where route we're gonna go. This is the Layus chili oil. And this is this fancy new shichimi I got. It's in small print, I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty good. A little bit of that up in the middle. And I think we're good. Oh, let's go full boat. We'll go with the sesame seeds too. A little pile right up here. That is that. Oh, no it's not. It can't be because I gotta use that too. I'm going for the scalloped spoon. I'm gonna go for this. This is Singaporean chili crisp. It's wonderful stuff. Oh no. Hopefully you can find it. It's not easy to find. I've only found it in one place, and that's up in Canada. And as my son loves to remind me, Canada is closed. Which, when I hear that, it just makes me sad every day. Because he reminds me every day. Right here by the egg. Perfect. I think we need more spring onion. This is alright stuff. And as I mentioned in another episode, like a couple ago, the review for this will come out in the post, which will be coming up probably, about 103 days from now. So yeah. Oh, my nose is just killing me. Here we go. Let's groove. I'm going to put on a new song even. Yeah. Well, right freaking on! Seafood Tonkotsu. Hey, thanks to the guys over at exoticnudes.com once again. And yeah, use that coupon code RamenRaider15 to get yourself a nice discount. Subscription boxes, that's what they do. So, yeah. Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Go head on over to theramenraider.com, check out reviews, go head on over to Google Play, get yourself the Ramen Raider application for your smartphone, and yeah, go to shop.theramenraider.com. Go check out the noodles. Alright, have a good one. Bye.